So now, after ending the slime rain, of course, the blood moon happens somehow now. Neither of us have 200 health, so I don't know how it's going on, but, I'm so confused right now. I'm gonna put the banners back up now, since we're gonna be dealing with this. I'm just gonna put the demon eye and the zombie one up, though.
Oh my gosh, look at my colors when in the blood moon.
See, look at the freaking, look how boss the dye trader is with that sword. Maybe we'll get lucky and get a money trowel. So we just had two, like invasion things at the almost at the same time. Oh my God, these guys hurt.
The blood zombies, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, just hang from under the house and shoot things.
Just let the dye trader take care of it. He's a boss.
Well, here, watch. We can make it so that the fly things. Yeah, get in there. Get in there. Get in here and close the door. I'll show you something cool.
The Groom! I don't have that kill yet.
You left the door open!
I got a top hat! And I got an achievement. I'm never gonna get to do what we were planning to do. Keep having to deal with this shit. Did they break the doors? Did he break your living wood doors?
No, I took them down because I'm going to show you something cool. See, look at my little safety area.
I don't have enough arrows to be doing that.
If you leave 2 holes, you can hit them with your sword.
The dye trader is such a boss. I wonder if my spear counts. I can't get in there.
Then break it open. Come in.
Yeah, but now it's just regular wood. Well, there's a shooting star out there. I'm gonna go get it. Ooh, and a mushroom. Okay, you can wall it back up now. Oh, I got the zombie arm! And it's way better than my cactus sword. Ha 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 ha! I'm sorry, I keep breaking out of your safety zone, but I gotta get these fallen stars. They won't matter once we get maximum mana. Because, I mean, you can pick them up, but they're pretty much... I mean, they're just for decoration, really. Nah, my spear still won't reach. They're all getting caught in that little hole that we blew up with your bombs.
Well, I put a thing on it. Fill it in a little bit.
Well, no, they're like spawning down there. What you doing?
Making you an access to just collect everything without having to dig open my shooty.
I mean, the event's almost over now. I'm really depressed. We didn't get either of the rare drops this time.
Oh well.
I can't believe I got the zombie arm. That's like way better than the cactus sword. I don't want to go too far because I don't want to die. I mean, I guess I could put our more herb stuff down there, so that's a good thing that you're building anyway.
Yeah, and we can build the glowing mushrooms around it.
Blood moon's over. Well, we survived, guys. Oh, look, the traveling merchant again.
Yay!
He shows up a lot. He's normally like a rare spawn at the beginning of every day. Please have the gi so I can get some better armor. Of course he doesn't have it this time. He probably had it last time when he died.
Yeah, maybe.
He doesn't have anything useful. He has a water gun. We can have a water fight cuz I have the slime gun.
Yeah, the DPS thing is kind of useless. Oh, he has a tiger skin. You can put it on your wall.
Here, take this solidifier. I don't know what to do with it, and you're the one who likes to make block stuff. How much mana do you have?
140.
Come here. Come back. Hold still, goddammit. Okay, I have 180 and you have 160. Which means we're almost done with Fallen Stars. But I'm gonna cut the video here, guys, and I'm gonna go to the altar and make suspicious looking eyes for us. And so we can fight the Eye of Cthulhu when it comes nighttime again.
I don't have enough slime to really make anything useful.
I have 447.
Give them to me. I want to make a slime one.
Ooh, guess what I just found? Another strange plant.
Ooh. You should give me all your slime.
But I need it for potions.
Some of your slime?
Hey look, the painter showed up. What are you gonna make right now? We don't have enough to make a whole room out of slime blocks.
It would probably only take about 200.
Well, we got another NPC, guys. I'm keeping 150 of it for myself.
Okay.
And I made 3 suspicious eyes, so we're gonna cut the video here, and I'll see you guys next time.